Hello all, welcome to IPCS Automation, and today we are going to discuss about the robotic process automation and what are the criteria to choose the appropriate robotic process automation to your own business. And let me come to the point first. So what is robotic process automation or the RPA? The RPA is a rule-based labor process that's used in the industrial automation or industry 4.0 to automate a particular rule-based labor system. That means if a labor or if a couple of laborers are doing a particular task, we are going to automate that task with respect to the sequence that the labor has been used or going through. So that is the robotic process automation in general. So with that, we can reduce the labor cost and improve the quality and the efficiency. That's overall the general things in the robotic process automation. Before implementing the robotic process automation, the companies should have the proper knowledge about what kind of product they are using or what kind of product they are producing or what is the procedure for the production. And after that, they have to select the appropriate tool for the robotic process automation like Progia, Blue Prism and UiPath. And these are the tools which are used for the robotic process automation. If you have the good idea about what process is happening inside your industry, you have to select your appropriate RPA processing tool which will producing the appropriate features for the robotic process automation. In order to select the good RPA process automation, we have to be known about some couple of features. That will be the speed of the tool. That is the first point. We should know about the speed of the tool which you are using and the ease of use and also the easiness of implementation. That is the first three primary things we have to look before implementing the RPA in our automation system. The very next thing is the ownership cost. The ownership cost, which includes the vendor fees, the maintenance and the implementation fees, and the software cost. These are the costs which are affecting by the RPA. And then we have the very next point, which is the scalability, which is the most important point. That means we can actually carry a lot of robots inside the process. That means we can add on the number of robots which are using inside the plant. That is the scalability. That means we can increase the number in the future by the scalability. And the architecture is the very next point. That means the architecture means where we can use the robotic process automation and how we can implement it in our process. That is the architecture and how it affects on our process. That is defined by the architecture of the robotic process automation. And coming to the final point, which is the governance. The governance means the proper visibility for the person which are using the robotic process automation tool for monitoring and analyzing the things inside what's happening in the process automation. So these are the things inside the robotic process automation, and these are the points we have to keep in mind for creating a robotic process automation or for creating a process automation or choosing the right tool for your industry. And thank you.